Hi. Who wants to see some goats? I do. Okay. There's a goat. There's some other goats. This is Beatrice. Come here, Beatrice. Motherfucker. Come here. Hi. Do you miss me? Do you miss me? Do you miss me? Do you miss me? She didn't miss me. Hey, cutie. Hello. She's, I don't know, she's like just a year old or something. This white one, I don't know its name, but she's a mom. I don't know. These two are kind of scared. The one on the right is the baby of, I think, the white one, and the white one might be the baby of that, like that one there. Anyway, they're all kind of scaredy cats, scaredy goats. Yeah, this one's 8 months old. I don't know any other names. I'll name this one Paul. Paul is the only girl from her litter. She had 2 brothers, but they got sent away. This one's name is Whitey. Hello, Whitey. This one's name is Big Mama. And that's about all there is. They just kind of run around and eat, I guess. Beatrice is the only nice one. Hey, Bee, how you doing, girl? They're really fluffy. They have their winter coats on. And we also got a billy goat to impregnate them. So we might go check them out. We might go check them out. Want a headbutt? Okay, no, she's scared. Coward. Oh, coward. Coward. I don't know where the chickens are. Oh, there they are. Hey, chickens. Motherfuckers, get over here. Hey, chicken. Look, 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 look. They're very pretty chickens. Those ones especially. Hello. Oh, the rooster's a bully. Oh, he hates me. The rooster's notorious for attacking people. But, I'm scared. He's gonna kill me. But anyway, the other chickens are nice. This guy's kind of a fucker. So let's go see the billy goat. You fuck off, motherfucker! Woohoo! See, you motherfucker, still on me! Get out of here! Get out of here! Bitch! I'm trying to go see the billy goat. Okay, well, the billy goat's tied up over here in this paddock. Apparently he's really friendly, but he pisses on his beard. Oh god, he looks cool. He pisses on himself and he drinks his own piss and he drinks the other goat's pee, and he's always got a boner. So he's kind of gross and he smells bad because he pees on himself. But ladies are into it, so. Hey Bill. Doesn't have any horns, it's kind of sad. Okay, bye.